Since 2020, there has only been one SLP in Albay, and that has been me.
Huwag nag-iisa lang siya sa Albay.
Napaka-importante niya sa Albay.
In everything that you do, parang magkakaroon siya ng impact kapag ka meron siyang authenticity.
Ah, yes.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nari.
For today's video, ipapanoorin natin ang Beauty with a Purpose video ni Miss Bicol Region and ang kanyang presentation. But before we proceed, partner,
Partner. Yes,
and then meron
partner.
akong tanong sa'yo, was there ever a time in your life na parang you felt lost or it's as if you no longer know what's the purpose of your life? Parang ganun. Or parang hinahanap mo yung purpose ng life mo.
Ay, wow. Saan nanggaling yung tanong na yan? Parang napaka-personal eh. Pero oo, syempre meron. Kasi...
Kailan lang. Huwag mo lang pakabahin.
okay. Kailan lang siguro mga lately.
Alam mo ba, sa akin, hindi mo tatanong.
Yun pala yun. Ikaw ba?
Hindi naramdaman ko yan nung nasa Manila ako, nag-work ako sa Manila after 3 years. Na parang hindi ko alam yung purpose ko sa life, kaya umalis ako din sa BPO. And then nakilala kita, kaya nakita ko yung purpose ng life. Char. Without any further ado,
Without any further ado,
let's watch this.
Good afternoon. On some days, I am Jean Isabel Villasano, Miss World Philippines Bicol Region.
Ang pretty.
But on most days,
And gusto ko yung sinuot niya
I am
dito,
Jean
hindi
Isabel
siya nagpaglam.
Villasano, registered speech language pathologist
Like uniform
Oo.
niya.
in my
nga.
province, if not the entire Bicol region.
Casual lang
There are
intimate
only
actually.
640 practicing licensed speech pathologists in the Philippines. Barely 1,000 catering to millions of
True,
Filipinos.
hindi ako aware din dyan. Are
I
you?
hope to make healthcare accessible and rehabilitation accessible. And I work to make that happen. I raise awareness about speech pathology in the hopes of increasing the people in the workforce and have enough people to actually make community-based rehabilitation stand in every town. This is simply not just my advocacy. This is my profession, my passion, and my purpose.
Ganda.
Every single thing is part and parcel of what I have been doing for 5 years now and what I will continue to do in 5 more.
Wow!
Ganda, like,
wow, the
diba?
simplicity!
Wow. Hindi, I mean, she's really beautiful on the outside. And ang ganda niya pa on the inside.
Napaka pure nung intentions niya.
Mm.
Napaka simple nung presentation but it's really moving. Para siyang
Yun nga yung sinasabi natin na in everything that you do, parang magkakaroon siya ng impact kapag ka meron siyang authenticity.
yes.
That's it.
Wow. Sino ba to?
I go to different houses in Albay, Monday to Wednesday.
Parang ang intimate, no?
From Tabaco to Legazpi, others Daraga, just so I can give therapy to kids, even adults. I start work at 8. My farthest is in Taigsan, and that's uphill, right? I leave the house an hour
Napaka-pretty niya talaga.
because I live very, very far from
Tapos ang cute
Taigsan.
ng niya, like,
The one we're going to, it's play school. It's a play
nakaka-miss
school
paano
owned
na-discover
by one
yung
of
ganyang
the parents of
passion,
my kids.
yung passion niya.
I have a
Like-
son diagnosed with ASD. Sabi ng friend namin, you call Teacher Jean. Nag-heads up siya na laging loaded to kasi since nag-iisa lang siya ditong speech pathologist talaga.
A study done by the Philippine Association of Speech Pathologists from 2018 shows that there are 8,180 patients per one speech therapist in the country. This ratio reflects the demands
Wow.
the Alin professionals like us. Since 2020, there has only been one SLP in Albay, and that has been me.
Huwag nag-iisa lang siya sa Albay.
Napaka-importante niya sa Albay.
It took a
Promise.
while. It took a while for us to have the courage to get him finally assessed. Si teacher, she's all we've got.
I have to admit I am no superwoman. I cannot accommodate everybody who needs treatment. My goal is to make healthcare and rehab accessible to every Filipino, but I understand how big of a dream that is. So I want to start small and realistic.
Mag-travel siya dito sa province namin. Diretso siya sa bahay ng kids kung saan siya magtuturo. And kahit aalis siya going to Manila na, aalis siya ng mga 3 or 4, may class pa siya hanggang 3 hanggang 2. So, na-realize ko maraming parents pala yung may needs dito. Chain effect. From the help of Teacher Jean sa amin na nakita namin na there is hope, nag-put up kami nitong center para makatulong din sa kids.
After my stroke, I struggled to see clearly. I found hope with the help of my amazing therapist, Ma'am Jean.
Ang galing,
went
like,
into speech
mayroon talagang
pathology,
testimony, di
knowing that I
ba?
would help people talk,
Real life
I would help
testimony.
children call their moms mama. I hope I inspire more people to understand that people need healthcare, people need rehabilitation, people need therapy. And when people understand that, maybe then people would actually try to venture into our profession. We don't just help people talk, we help them tell stories.
Bitaw.
Stories that inspire me, that I hope would inspire the entire world.
Ang cute. Like, you know, the sincerity,
Thank you so much.
passion, hindi talaga yun matatawaran. And kahit gano'n nakakapagod yung biyahe niya from Legazpi to Manila, Manila to, ano yung kahit, di ba? Kasi passionate siya sa ginagawa niya. At makikita mo naman talaga na meron na siyang natulungan at patuloy na natutulungan and very grateful. At mag-isa lang siya sa Albay. Paano daw yun?
Yun nga sabi niya she's not a superwoman. Pero sa tingin ko in my lens ng mata ko, superwoman na talaga siya. Kasi nag-iisa pa siya So, may nakakalungkot lang isipin na ganun ka-scars and mataas yung tawag dito yung motivation niya para gawin yung isang bagay na hindi ginagawa ng maraming tao.
I mean, question kung paano niya na-realize yung ganung profession. Like, paano niya na-discover na, di ba, sa dami niyang profession, yun talaga yung napili niya sa ganda niyang yun. Di ba? Na ang dami niyang buhay na nababago, mga taong natutulungan. And we truly admire an advocacy na napaka-personal and very sincere and very true to what they're doing on a daily basis. Parang gano'n, no?
It felt like it's a life sacrifice and it's a sworn duty niya talaga na
Pero
gawin.
feeling ko naman kapag gusto niya yung ginagawa niya, hindi niya yun kino-consider na life sacrifice. Parang sa kanya, it's more of like fulfilling siguro yung ganun, no? Nakakatuwa, and sana nga ay mas marami pang mga kids or mga estudyante ang magkakaroon ng interest when it comes to this speech pathology na course. And para mas marami pang matulungan na people who are in need, diba?
Certainly, pag siya nanalo talagang maraming may inspire.
Oo, kasi talagang, true. Ano sabi? So, ayun na guys, and we wish her the best of luck sa kanyang journey. Deserve din naman talaga niya. Another deserving na manalo na Beauty with a Purpose. Ang tindi, diba?
Bardagulan sila dito.
Thank you so much at sinamahan nyo na kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!